Do you want to know how you can unblock someone in Onlyfans? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to Tech Helpline. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can unblock someone in Onlyfans. Go to onlyfans.com in your Chrome or Edge browser. Now, what you need to do is go ahead and click on subscriptions. Now you can see the block section. Click on block and these are the people who you have blocked. So if you click on the three buttons or three lines and click unblock, you will unblock the people who you want to unblock. Let me show it to you once again. Go to onlyfans.com and in the left hand side click on subscriptions. Now go to blocked, click on the three lines over here and click on unblock. This way you will unblock the person who you want. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.